Oh, sorry, my hair's in my face. I was caught up by the shiny coffin tip. That's what got me. Never had the balls to do it. What's up, you guys? I'm here today with a tutorial slash informational session specifically for the ladies. So my nail shop is closed. I'm sure they're doing some type of undercover nail stuff that I don't know about, but I'm kind of anti go to the nail shop undercover and get my nails done, because I feel like should any one nail out of 10 break, I will be because you can't just walk on in there to fix a nail right now. So I decided to let my nails breathe for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. They look really gross. I'm almost embarrassed to share. I picked up yesterday at not my local Target, but a Target that I know has a good selection of press-on nails. This is the Kiss French Tip Everlasting French Bring the Salon Home Kiss Petite Length Manicure press-ons, and these are the ones that I'm super used to. Like, this is my classic $5 or $6 press-on kit that I've used for years and years and years. When it's ugly and you can't get to the nail shop, they got you. But I'm more excited about these. One is Kiss and one is Ardell, but look, one at a time. This is like a coffin tip, long. They even have the jewels on the design fingers. I'm trying to hide my raggedy finger. Like, super cute. Some are matte, some are pearl looking, and then some have the jewels. I can already tell you it looks to me like the jewels are lopsided, so I don't know if I'm going to open this. The sad, scary part is the Target that's close to me is not accepting returns. I don't know if the one that I bought this at is also not accepting returns. I was caught up by the shiny stones, I'm not gonna lie, and it wasn't even the stones, it was the matte, because I'm a matte fanatic. These two are matte. That's what got me, if I'm being real. I don't think I'm gonna open this, because when I'm turning it sideways, I'm not gonna be able to walk around with some stones, some not. So I was already leaning towards this one. Go ahead, Ardell. This, how pretty is it? Again, some matte, some shiny, some chrome, some floral. Like, I'm really excited about this. I could just do the French manicure, but I've done that already in real life. So if I'm gonna film a whole video, let's make it extra. So let's get started. So this is the final result. Is there a better way to do this for y'all? I'm sure there is. I've honestly never done nails like this, even at the salon. I am super excited about the whole different pattern and texture nails on each nail. I've never had the balls to do it. I mean, I think it's cute. For $10 or less, you can, for 1 week, have this kind of nails instead of what I just came on this video with. Oh, sorry, my hair's in my face. Oh, sorry, my hair's in my face again. Oh, my shirt's a little... I'm just a whole new bitch with nails. The nature of my job, I need shorter nails because I'm moving and wiggling a lot. I work with my hands a lot. On top of that, like if I'm doing any type of product promo or anything like that, I just posted something to my Instagram like 2 days ago, and those nails were so raggedy. Like, it's cool. Like, my beauty comes from within. It's cool. It's temporary, you know. And the quarantine gave me the opportunity to let my nails breathe. So they look like poop. I didn't do the smart thing that my friend told me to do, which was soak my nails off. I think I was missing all but 4.5 nails between both hands. It was some over here, some over here, 2 over here, and then 1 over here, and then 0.5 over here and 0.5 over here. It was a mess. I popped my nails off. It ripped layers of my natural nail off. It was a terrible idea. I don't know why I did it. I had specific instructions from a friend of mine not to do that, and I still did that. So I let my nails breathe for like a week and a half before doing this. These are not acrylics. They're not like gel. Like, they have some give to them, which makes me nervous. I know to be gentle on these. I think for the price, like, we spend $10 on shenanigans any given day. Lunch is $10. What's all the ways you could spend $10? Y'all know there's 1,000 different ways to spend $10. So if I'm gonna spend it to be happy for a week, not looking raggedy, I'm gonna do that. Highly recommend. Again, I don't have the pack with me anymore. The ones I just applied are the Ardell something or other. I'm really pleased. I know that Ardell is king in the lash game right now, but they're stepping into the nail game. A tip for application is be careful with that glue, because you're dealing with all these pretty textures. And for example, I don't know if you could see that little smudge, that's glue. So a little bit of glue got on my shiny chrome beautiful nail, so it's not shiny chrome and beautiful anymore like this one is. This one, you can see my camera in it. It's so shiny. So it's not gonna kill me. Like, yes it is. My OCD hates it, but it's on my pinky on my left hand, so we got that going for us. There was a little glue on my bottle, like my nail glue bottle. I mean, listen, $10 again. Like, I'm not about to be mad about $10. Can't have everything perfect. To me, this is a major improvement than what I was looking like earlier last week, so I'm good with it. If you have any press-ons that you recommend, drop them in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below too. What are y'all doing during quarantine for your nails? Like, I would like to know, are you letting them breathe? Are you going and getting undercover nail sessions? Are you rocking with the press-ons? What are you doing? I'm so curious. When I was buying these press-ons in the store yesterday, I ran into a girl, and I'm naturally conversational and like curious. So I asked her what she was doing with her nails during the quarantine, just like I'm asking you. And she actually put me onto a girl from the Bay Area who does custom press-ons. So I did follow her on Instagram. I will add her page right here. And I'm excited to try those. The only thing I worry about with super long press-ons, the whole like traction and like, what do you call that? I don't know, like the seesaw effect. Like, if I put pressure here, then I have more potential of popping the whole nail off. Like, I don't think these would break the way my nails break, where like half of it is still on your nail bed, but I do worry that I would pop the whole thing off, like trying to open a Coke can or something like that. They're not sturdy enough for that. Don't try it. Hand the soda to your daughter, hand the soda to your man, hand the soda to somebody to open up for you, or get a butter knife. Don't try to leverage, was the word I was looking for. Oh, it irks my nerves when I can't think of a vocabulary word. Leverage. So I worry that like to use these as leverage to do something, you're gonna ruin your nail. It might even bend and give you like a fold in it. These are not like super hard material. So let me know if you're trying them, or you plan to try some. I'll try to find them on Amazon and link the link below. Hopefully they're not price gouging and going all crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of stuff you need to see, want to see, but let me know how you like it and what you're doing during this quarantine. Everyone stay safe, stay positive. Shit is hard. I know I'm one of the people considered essential, so I do get to go to work every day to earn money, to not fall behind on my rent. But I'm praying for y'all, dead serious, praying for y'all who don't have the ability to go to work right now and your rent is piling up and stacking up. I do plan to do some videos on alternative streams of income. Tell me if that's helpful for you, or if you would like to see something like that. I don't know everything, but I don't believe in withholding information from my people. So if you're watching this, you're my people. I will share whatever I know with you. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye.